How to fix add topic option not showing on Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see some potential solutions that could help you fix the problem if the add topic option is not showing on your Instagram Reels. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, make sure if the Reels availability in your region. The add topic feature might not be available in all regions or may be gradually rolled out to users in different countries. So ensure that you're using the latest version of Instagram and check if the feature has been made available in your region. If that's not your case, make sure to update your application. Ensure that you have the latest version of Instagram. Sometimes the older version of application may not support all the feature including the add topic option. So for that you have to close the Instagram, open a Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar search for Instagram. If you find an update option, tap on update, and once the update is complete you can go back and look for the problem. And if your problem is still not solved, try to log out of your account and log in back if you remember your login credential. Logging out of your account and logging in back again help refresh the app's functionality, so you can try that as well. If that still does not help you, now try to clear the application keys. For that, open the setting, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, tap on the search icon at the top right, and in the search bar, search for Instagram. Here tap on storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. Clearing the application cache resolve issues relating to missing features. Once you have done that, you can close the settings and go back and look if the application is working properly or not. If still not, try to uninstall and reinstall the application, which help fix any bugs or glitches affecting the application. Uninstall the application and reinstall it from your Google Play Store and then relog in back into your account, and these solutions would help you fix your problem. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.